Before we start, let's look at how amazing light is. It illuminates and brings us clarity. It guides and energizes us. It keeps us warm and brings us joy. And it transmits information, and it also heals us. And the most amazing thing is that each of our 37 trillion-ish cells emits a tiny ray of light. So we have the potential to be so much more than we ever thought we could be. So, if you're ready, find a nice, relaxed and comfy position. Gently close your eyes or gently soften your gaze. Bring your attention to how it feels to be where you are right now. How your legs and bum and back feels against the chair or bed or whatever is supporting you. And feel safe knowing that the ground way beneath you is steady and stable. So imagine that the air around you is charged with tiny divine particles of love, power, and wisdom. And it looks like sparkling gold dust floating all around you. And as you breathe in, this air effortlessly cleanses your mind and your body, and it reveals your luminous spirit. And as you breathe out, all your unwanted energy, thoughts and feelings are expelled. So ready for some breath work? Take a slow cleansing breath in through your nose and breathe out the negativity through your mouth. And again, inhale a nice cleansing deep breath. And exhale any and all negativity. One more time, breathing in the cleansing gold particles. And then breathing out and letting go. So notice how your body feels. Are you holding any tension in your head, your jaw, your neck, your chest, your belly, or somewhere else? If so, relax and breathe this divine energy into those areas. Now picture that sparkling golden energy now as a warm, gentle light, like the early morning sunlight. Not blinding, not dramatic, just soft, steady, and warm. Sense that soft light in the center of your chest. The light is becoming one with you. And it feels like a gentle, sweet kiss from a little child. Allow yourself to remember this feeling because it's been there all along, quietly waiting to help you. Breathe in and awaken your light. Breathe out and expand your awareness. With every inhale, you shine a little brighter. And with every exhale, healing and restoration spreads throughout your inner world. This loving, powerful, wise light influences your emotions, your energy, your very presence, and also the atmosphere around you. So although you can't hold it or touch it or see it necessarily, you can 100% feel it. And this mystical, awe-inspiring light makes you feel taller and steadier. And it enables you to imagine futures and set intentions and then take the necessary steps to make them real, turning the unseen into the seen and touchable. Now, this powerful light within you cannot be earned or lost, only remembered. Allow these truths to radiate through your whole body. Let the light cascade over your head and your shoulders, down your arms, into your palms, and out into your fingertips. Feel your hands becoming softer, warmer, and almost tingling as they begin to receive multiple blessings. Allow the light to flow all the way down your body to your feet and feel grounded in its truths. And if thoughts appear, return to your heart, return to the glow, and return to acknowledging your light that's always been there. Now, your amazing body is a form of soft technology, a living divine system that knows how to heal, balance, and guide you back when you listen to it. So as you're resting right now, your body is communicating tiny signals, chemical, electrical, and energetic, and it's recharging the light in every cell in your body. Inhale the ability to listen to your body. Exhale, feel the light within you. Inhale restoration. Exhale freedom from anything that dims your light. Inhale more light. Exhale, expand your light. And as your light grows stronger and stronger, quietly repeat, my light has permission to shine brightly. My light helps me make better choices because I can see clearly. My light is resilient, wise, and healing. My light makes me courageous, confident, and unstoppable. Divine light fills me with love, joy, and peace. And if you want to make this practical, let your mind offer you one small choice you can make today that protects your light. So it could be something simple like going for a walk in nature, taking an extra glass of water, eating some nourishing food, turning your phone off for 10 minutes or maybe a little bit more, saying no, or going to bed earlier. Whatever it is, let the answer come gently. All the small things add up and help you to shine brighter. And keep that soft glowing light shining within you like a never-ending pilot light. Because remember, it doesn't need to be huge or obvious to be real. So it's time to bring your awareness back into the room. And if you're snuggled up in bed, you can drift into a beautiful sleep. And if you're ready to do something else in your day, feel the support beneath you again. Notice your breath and your belly rising and falling. Notice your hands, how your feet feel. And when you're ready, wiggle your fingers and your toes. Maybe roll your shoulders. Slowly open your eyes.